Guys, so as you guys know, spring is here and right now is the perfect time to grab Yummy Burma Curly. This is the actual texture that I'm wearing right now, and I just wanted to come on here to show you guys how I refresh my curls. And yeah. First thing you need is conditioner, and the conditioner that I use is the Preston Flawless Curls Conditioner. I've been using this for the longest. This is the only thing I use, and you'll need a spray bottle. So I've already mixed the conditioner and water together, so it should look something like this. What the conditioner does, it basically hydrates your hair and keeps it very soft. And the last thing that you would need is a really good sturdy Denman brush. That is super important because the brush is really what will make your curls look really good. I would stay away from like combs or wide tooth combs. Please don't use that because you won't like the results of your hair. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just parting my hair in sections. I'm just gonna brush my curls out a little bit so that when I spray my hair, it'll be easy to brush through. So I'll take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna start spraying my hair. Hold your hair like this, right? And I do this because I don't want my hair to like shed. I don't wanna have no shedding. So you wanna start from the bottom and work your way up. Now I'm just gonna go up. Also, you want to keep brushing your hair until you see that curl pattern that you want. Keep brushing until you see the curl pattern. Take your time. Just take your time. And then just scrunch. So how you brush your curls is how the hair will come out. That's why it's just super important just to brush through those curls and to scrunch as well. So I'm just gonna do this section off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm basically done with this side. Can we take a moment for the curls? Y'all need a Burma Curly in your life, I promise you. You will not regret it. The next thing I'm going to do is use a diffuser, and the diffuser is from KOSA Professional. I love this a lot because it enhances my curl pattern and it adds volume to my hair. I will say if you do want your curls to last for a couple of days, just use this for like a minute or two and then let it air dry. Done diffusing your hair, it should look something like this. Now my hair is about, I would say it's about 85% dry. I would let it air dry. I wouldn't add the diffuser anymore. I'll just let it air dry. And this is Burma Curly. I love Burma Curly so much. It's such a unique texture. It's perfect for the spring and summertime. I'm wearing 4 bundles of 26 inches in the frontal, so if you were to do a measure check, it'll be all the way down here, as you can see. Make sure you run to grab this texture. This texture is everything. You will not regret it. It's easy to press out. It's easy to dye. And after you press it out, it'll go right back to its natural state. This hair is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching.